G'day! $1 million views from the tent this morning. Had a good sleep, warm enough. It's looking like a nice day again today. 40 kilometers to Varna, and I'm keen to be cycling along the coast again today. What a beautiful day. This was my home last night. And now I'm going to go 20 k's down, almost entirely along the coast I think, to Golden Sands. Bit of a dodgy stretch, get off and push, see how long this lasts. Maps me has this as a cycle path, but I'm portaging. I don't think the next village is too far, hopefully. Time for ice cream, I reckon. This is Golden Sands, arguably Bulgaria's busiest tourist resort, but it's really creepy. There's nobody here apart from a handful of gardeners and DIY people. All the strip clubs and tattoo parlours are shuttered up. I wanted an ice cream. Finally found something open on the very outskirts of town. So I got my ice cream. Cyclist size! If I'm understanding this correctly, I only get a 3-hour window on this road, but fortunately for me, Albana is an absolute ghost town on a Monday in April, so hopefully I'll get away with it. Just arrived in Varna. They have a really nice park along the waterfront. It goes for 8 kilometers, but right now I'm going to go and see if I can find a hostel and have a little holiday. This hostel is so nice. I currently have a 4-bed dorm for 12 lev, all to myself, with a balcony. So, see you later.